Think you can only process payments from your computer? That is a common misconception for new business owners. Here is a quick way to see the gap. If you search how to accept payments with your phone, most results point to apps like PayPal, Venmo, or simple bank transfers. While those work for casual use, they are not built to scale a real business. And that is the problem. Many owners think they're stuck with these limited options. That's why Easy Pay Direct offers mobile payments. You can take credit card payments directly from your smartphone wherever you are. Plus, with transaction routing built in, your sales are automatically distributed across accounts to keep your payments stable, even if one account hits a limit. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get 250 plus integrations, making it easy to connect with the shopping carts and tools you already use. If you want to accept payments on the go without limits, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will have a reliable merchant account ready for mobile payments. The link's in the description to get started.